So in this episode, we are going to kick back, relax, and make us a Dole Whip cupcake. So stay tuned and follow along. My name is Natty, and this is WDW Cupcakes. Alright, you guys know the deal. We are going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees. And also, sorry if my hair looks a little wonky. I just wanted to get it out of the way. So let's preheat that oven and then get to cooking. Okie dokie. So for this recipe, for the pineapple cupcakes, you are going to use 1 2/3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup of regular granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple undrained, because you are going to be using those yummy juices later, and 1 box powdered sugar. For that frosting, you're going to combine the butter, 2 cups of that powdered sugar, vanilla, and pineapple juice, and beat that until it's smooth with your mixer. And then you're going to add the remaining 2 cups of powdered sugar and beat that until it's nice and fluffy. If you are unsatisfied with the color of that frosting, you can absolutely add a few drops of that yellow food coloring. And then to frost those, you're going to be using a star tip and pipe the frosting onto the totally cool cupcakes. Some of the miscellaneous items that I'm going to be using is my electronic hand mixer, a star tip for piping on that frosting, those cupcake liners, and some super cute paper straws that I found that reminded me of Minnie Mouse, so I had to get those because Minnie Mouse is my queen. So after you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, this is when you're going to line your muffin pan with cupcake liners, and you're going to combine the dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and salt, whisk it and set that aside. After that, in a separate bowl, beat the butter on medium speed until it's really creamy, and add the sugar and beat to combine for about 3 minutes with your mixer. And then you're going to add vanilla to the butter mixture and beat that on low. Make sure you add those eggs one at a time, and making sure that you whisk them and make sure that they're all nice and mixed together after each new egg that you drop in there. Then you're going to beat in to that butter mixture the crushed pineapple, and then you're going to add the flour, mixing it just until it's combined. With this, again, I would probably recommend that last step with adding the flour, just with a regular spatula, spoon, just to make sure that you have a little bit more control, making sure that everything's all combined. It is time. Yum! It smells so good. Honestly, I am so excited. You can see like the bits of crushed pineapple in there. I totally dig that. This is gonna be great. All right, I am going to go let those cool before we frost those. But just a quick side note, if you guys like the cookware that I've been using, I just wanna give a absolutely huge and heartfelt thank you to Tim, the owner of Celebrations magazine. Without him, none of this would be possible. So thank you so much, Tim. I genuinely love every single thing that you sent me. And if anybody else likes what I'm cooking with, you can find most of this stuff inside the Disney parks, or maybe even the Disney Store or Shop Disney Parks app. All right, and then finally, for the best part, the pineapple frosting. So what I did is just used a simple plastic Ziploc bag and inserted my star tip into the corner. That way you can pipe it in real easily, and that star tip is pretty similar to what they use at Magic Kingdom for the actual Dole Whip. And with that said, I hope you guys can find a little slice of paradise, and I hope you all have a great day. This is Natty again from WDW Cupcakes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.